Hi. Backwards hug.
Are you gonna rock baby again? I think baby's sleeping. Hey, you can't put that on him. Okay, do you want to rock baby? Did you want to rock baby? What? Okay, go rock baby. Okay? Gently. Gently, yep. Show me some of your dancing, Natalie. Yeah. Okay, let's look at baby one more time. Thanks, Natalie. Say bye. Bye-bye.